Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of how to draw a hyper-realistic human eye. The part 1 of this video is going to be linked in the description box below in case you haven't watched that. The list of all the materials I also used are going to be in the description box of the part 1 of this video. So let's get into it. I darkened the crease again with a darker shade of charcoal pencil and then went over it with my soft round brush that has already been dipped in charcoal powder. Now I'm blending the hairline and using a tissue to blend out the skin. Now I'm going over the hairs with a darker shade of charcoal pencil, just following the hairstroke pattern I already drew. Now I'm using a flat angled brush to blend out the hairs gently to make the hairs look more realistic. I'm also going over that with my monozero eraser for detailing. I'm outlining the side of the nose. I'm also outlining the lower eyelid crease. And then dipping my soft round brush into some charcoal powder and then blending the lower eyelid. Please note that I'm blending away from the waterline. Now I'm shading the skin under the eyes and blending with my tissue. I'm outlining the waterline now. And darkening the crease and then blending with my brush again. I darkened the eyelash area and now I'm darkening the outer edge of the iris and leaving space below the upper eyelash for reflection of light. Then I'm blending with my blending stump. I'm darkening the pupil and I'm also going to be detailing the iris in line with the reference by just making soft strokes. I outlined the lower eyelash and now I'm going over the hairs with my charcoal pencil and I'm going to be repeating the same thing for the upper eyelash. Can you guys see the difference now? Like, can you see the difference? If you can't see the difference, then I'm sorry for you. And finally, I'll be going over the drawing with a fixing spray to lock in all that charcoal powder. So yeah, that brings it to the end of today's video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. If you also want me to review your drawings, you can always send them to me on Instagram. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.